Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Your today's topic is Answer Comprehension number 2. Okay, let's see the board at first. We are conducting the class of your annual term. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English, topic Answer Comprehension number 2, lecture number 12 and HW number 8. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 12 and your homework number 8, and your homework will be question number 7. Okay, let's start. At first we will read the passage. There is an answer passage, and then we will solve some questions. Answer comprehension number 2. Read the text and answer the questions 5, 6, 7 and 8. Bayajit was a small boy. His mother was ill. One day he was studying by his sick mother. Suddenly his mother asked him for a glass of water. Bayajit took a glass to take water from the pitcher, but the pitcher was empty. Bayajit could remember a stream far from his house and in the corner of the village. The night was dark. Bayajit took the pitcher and went to fetch water from the stream. When he returned with water, he found his mother in deep sleep. So he decided to stand beside his mother's bed with a glass of water. The whole night passed. His mother woke up in the morning and saw Bayajit standing with a glass of water. Seeing that, her eyes became full of tears. She blessed her son from her heart. Her blessings made him a great saint later. So from the story we saw, we have seen that Bayajit was a small boy and he was very much devoted to his mother. And as he was devoted to his mother and he abided by his mother, he saw that his mother was in asleep. So he stood by her bed with a glass of water and waited till his mother woke up. And for this reason his mother blessed him and he became a great personality in future, in the times later. So dear students, I hope that you will also abide by your parents. You will respect your father and mother, and you will help them, and you will abide by their instructions. And if your parents are pleased with you, then you will be a good personality in your future life. Now we will solve some questions. Today we will discuss on fill in the blanks and question answers. At first we will read the questions and then we will answer them. We will solve fill in the blanks. At first we will read out the clues in the boxes. The first word is from. In the second, stood, corner, beside, had, went, off and set. There are 8 clues or words in the boxes, and we have to solve 5 fill in the blanks questions. The first one, Bayajit and dash no water in the house. From the clues we can take had. Had can match here. So Bayajit had no water in the house. He dashed out in the dark to bring water. Here we will use went. He went out in the dark to bring water. Number C, he brought water dash the stream. From the story we have learned already that he brought water from the stream, and in the first clue is from, so we will use here from. He brought water from the stream. Number D, the stream was in a dash of the village. We know that the stream was in a corner of the village, and the third clue is corner. We'll write here as the space is tiny, corner. The last one is Bayajit dashed with a glass of water all night. Bayajit stood with the So Bayajit stood with a glass of water all night. We will also solve the question answers. In question number 7, there are 5 questions. At first we will read the questions and then we will answer them. The first question is, what did Bayajit's mother want? Question number B, where was the stream? Question number C, what did Bayajit do when his mother was asleep? Number D, what did Bayajit become later? And number E, where did Bayajit fetch water from? We cannot answer the questions here. For this reason, we have taken another page. Look. The first question, what did Bayajit's mother want? From the story we know that Bayajit's mother wanted water. So the answer will be Bayajit's mother wanted a glass of water. Where was the stream? Answer, the stream was far away from Bayajit's house. It was in the corner of the village. Number C, what did Bayajit do when his mother was asleep? Answer, Bayajit kept standing the whole night beside his mother's bed with a glass of water. So when Bayajit's mother was asleep, Bayajit kept standing the whole night beside his mother's bed with a glass of water. Number D, what did Bayajit become later? Bayajit became a great saint later. And the final question is, where did Bayajit fetch water from? The answer will be, Bayajit fetched water from a stream far away from his house. So these are the 5 questions, and we have also discussed the answers. The students, these question answers, that means question number 7 will be your next homework for today's class. HW number 8, question answer. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's discussion very well. You will read the passage again and answer the questions and fill in the blanks, and you will submit it on your next Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, take care of yourself, watch the YouTube classes and attend the online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.